Love my Danny Wars Lanford. Just like to show you our 231 Yaris Hybrid Luna model, finished in ultra silver. Comes with electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, tinted glass, alloy wheels, bodywork in super condition, front fogs, spacious boot with safety kit, protective mat supplied, reverse camera, lower interior in the back, Isofix seats, loads of legroom, manual windows in the back, up front, automatic transmission, centre armrest, cup holders, USB port, touchscreen radio, reverse camera, air conditioning, Bluetooth, automatic wipers, automatic headlights. This car is covered kilometres just 80,000 with service history. Multifunction steering wheel, pre-collision alert, lane assist, cruise control. Just some of the extras are standard in this car. So that's our 231 Yaris Hybrid Luna. For more information and finance options, contact the sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.